Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some new things that I got from Tory Burch sale. So here it is. There you go. Tory Burch had their annual summer sales in the last 2 weeks. So all the things that it was in my current wish list, I quickly checked them all, and luckily all of them is on sale. So I'm going to quickly show you all the things that I've got now. Just to let you know, I had a good and bad experience with Tory Burch, and I'm going to tell you after this haul. And yeah, let's begin. So we're going to start off with this baby here, this really amazing finds that I think it's going to suit for the summer weather. And I've not opened this one, so this is my first impression, guys. And it comes with a dust bag. I love Tory Burch products because they are reasonable prices, not unlike with other brands, and for like everyday use, I think this is a good find or a good brand. And yep, it comes with that beautiful packaging. Nicely packaged well, and I've got a 7.5 US. That's beautiful. It is from a linen Napa leather, metallic calf leather. There you go. And I've got a 7.5 US. And this is how it looks like. It's really pretty. Okay. So it has a leather lining with a gold outer lining on here, with some gems on. And that's what it looks like. Let's go for the next one, which is this one. I think it is same material with the linen shoe, and it's the Espadrilles with this design. So that's really beautiful. I'm going to try it later for you. And the last one is, guess what it is? I've got a bag. I've got a summer bag. I feel like this is a perfect summer bag because it is light. And I hate carrying a leather bag in the summer days, especially if it's hot and humid outside. That's beautiful. So it is the same material as the shoe, sandals. It's a linen with leather linings. So it's not a whole leather that I hated in the summer. That's empty. I've got the dust bag. Just a plain with this pink designs and Tory Burch.
So there is a compartment and it says Tory Burch, New York. There you go. With leather, I guess it is the Terry canvas, triple compartment tote.
And that's the back. With this tag on, it's removable, so if you don't like this, you can just take it off. And and that's the logo of Tory Burch. Yeah, and it can fit a 13 inches laptop in it, so it's really good school bag as well, uni bag. And inside there's one compartment, oh, 3 compartments, sorry, and that's the main, and 1 zip, I mean. You can just hold it like a top handle or a shoulder bag. My bad experiences with Tory Burch is that it took them a while to send all the products, but maybe because of the condition now, because of what's happening, it's probably that's the reason why, and all the purchases that people are buying online, so they might be so busy, hence all the delays. But I sent them 3 emails and I have not got any response from them until I found the Tory Burch Facebook page, and I messaged someone from Tory Burch, and yeah, they quickly replied back to my emails. So if you are having a hard time with your online purchases with Tory Burch, maybe you could do the same thing, maybe. But otherwise, after that, they quickly sent my order, and in just like 2 days I've got my order here. Yeah, that was like a story time. Yeah, but anyway, thank you for watching in my Tory Burch haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in my next video. Bye.